Hiya, I'm going to show you how to breathe properly. So we don't want to breathe into our upper chest, we want to breathe into our belly. So by breathing into the belly, it helps to activate the diaphragm, which has all sorts of fantastic benefits. So let's do this together. So I want you to put one hand on your chest, one hand on your tummy, and you're going to take a deep breath in, just as you are at the moment. So breathe and see which hand's moving. Is it the hand on your chest or is it the hand on your tummy? So what we don't want is the hand on the chest moving, we want the hand on the tummy. So get yourself into a comfortable position and you're going to take a deep breath in and you're going to try and push your tummy out towards your hand. So you take a deep breath in, tummy's moving out, and as we breathe out, it comes in. So you can see my hand at the bottom moving here. So let's move our other hand down to over the tummy, and we're going to take a deep breath in and out. So we're thinking about blowing up a balloon in around the tummy area. Okay, so let's do it again. So in through the nose and out through the mouth. So you'll see that my upper body is moving very little and it's the abdomen that's moving a little bit more. So that's what you want to be doing when you are doing belly breathing.